But yeah, so TLDR, we don't space big, ocean not that big, but we know more about space.
Wow, that's such a good TLDR.
I worded it eloquently, didn't I?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
I really excel at this.
I have the utmost respect for your articulation.
Thank you.
So,
That's why we have a podcast.
yeah, so clear, so concise, so
Hmm.
informative.
Exactly. But yeah, it's basically there hasn't just been a lot of funding in this area because most people believe, okay, yeah, we have an ocean, but what
Oh, most
benefit would
people
we
believe
have?
we have an ocean?
You
Ah,
know,
shit. That means there
there
are
are
people
the
that don't believe we have an ocean?
I'm personally on the fence that we ocean is fake. It's
Ah, yes. Big
government
conspiracy.
simulation. Yes, yes, exactly. But yes, most people they think that there's really no benefit in exploring that deep.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like in space, there may be the benefit of finding uh, habitable habitable planets or extraterrestrial life or different materials and things like that. In space, it's just like, yeah, there's water.
In space,
You
there's
know,
water.
in space,
Wow.
no, wrong way.
Wow.
I went the wrong way. In
Wow.
the ocean,
Whoa,
there's
whoa.
water.
Whoa.
Look, man,
We can
look,
have it.
look. You know, there could be water in space. That's what we're trying to find. That's what we're trying to find.
Nice, nice.
Exactly.
What I was gonna say, actually, that's actually a very popular belief, which I don't think is actually that true because a lot of deep sea research can actually significantly benefit us, like as a species, in two ways. One is the fact that it can help with a lot of climate related issues. So, deep sea, or like sea in general, is first of all a location where a lot of greenhouse gases are. Okay, I'm just gonna go over like the big ones. So one is climate change with greenhouse gas emissions and like the ocean absorbing a lot of those greenhouse gases. So like
Mm-hmm.
researching that more. Second thing with the environment is like climate, like just like hurricanes and not hurricanes, I guess, tsunamis and shit. Um, so like tectonic plates are under the ocean surface, where that's where they originate. So that's where tsunamis happen. Um,
Synonymies?
Synonymies. Yes, that's where
Yes,
synonymies
of
happen.
course.
And then the second thing is health research. So, for example, like I don't think a lot of people know this, but sharks actually can't get cancer.
Damn.
So they're actually a promising avenue for cancer research and to see why they just don't like even because so even if a normal human doesn't get cancer, they still create cancer cells. It's just those cells are they undergo apoptosis or like the body has its own mechanisms by which it controls them.
Mm-hmm.
But sharks just don't.
They just don't create them at all?
Yeah, and they don't get cancer. So it's a very interesting. Yeah, so things like that. So sea research and marine biologists, there is merit to what they do, for sure. So yeah,
But is there benefits with going deeper?
so yeah, with deep sea, you have things called shoot, what are they? I don't want to mispronounce their names, but like they're
It's okay.
extremophiles.
You mispronounced tsunami, so
Go away.
it's only
Um,
up from here, man.
I hate you. Oh wow, dude, we spent like 13 minutes, and then I said my first "I hate you."
Oh, wow. We're making
Improvement.
progress here,
We really
honestly.
are. Yeah, they said we
Counseling's
needed.
working.
But yeah, extremophiles, for example,
Hmm.
they live in the deepest parts of the sea, and they're called extremophiles because they can live under extreme pressure, extreme conditions, and they don't need oxygen to survive, things like that. So these extremophiles have been used in like industrial processes. I'm pretty sure so far, but they can be used, and if we understand the way they work and how they're able to resist all these extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, we can sort of use those mechanisms to improve our day to day lives. So the because most of what human inventions are is that they're imitation of nature, right? Like if you look at
Hmm.
planes, the imitation of birds. If you look at sonar, imitation of bats. So like understanding the world around us will give us a better understanding of how to improve our own lives.
Oh my God. That was so beautiful.
Thanks, dude. I try,
I'm
yo.
tearing up, man.
Mm.
I can just hear the Beatles song being written about that.
Oh yeah, bro. Shit, gnarly.